Today we are going to be showing off one of our brand new 2025 units here, and this is going to be the Canadian-made Prolite E-Evasion. Now the E-Evasion is one you may have seen videos on before. Very popular floor plan, if not the most popular floor plan for Prolites. But this E-Evasion stands for electric because we've got lots of solar power on this unit and lots of things to show off. Talking about the exterior, we've got a little pass-through storage area here. You've got a nice little, not pass-through storage area, but a storage compartment on this side where you can store your outdoor belongings. This Evasion has plenty of room for storage on the inside, but it's still nice to have outside storage options, so you're not mixing kind of standy gear like camp chairs and maybe small cooking appliances, things like that, with all of your gear stored on the inside. Walking around to the rear here, you will notice we've got spare tire on the back. These 2025s have a higher ride height than the 2024s did. You get a little bit more clearance here, which is great for not bottoming out. And you've also got that spare tire on the rear, gives you a little bit more room underneath the trailer. Walking to the back here, you'll see there are plenty of windows in this unit. You'll notice it even better once we get inside. Since this is the full electric version, we do have it set up with a 300-watt solar panel on the roof. It's actually three 100-watt solar panels, which powers everything on the inside, as well as an inverter. But since it's brand new, we don't have the inverter hooked up yet, so I won't have the lights on the inside, but you'll notice it barely makes a difference with these lovely looking windows. Also with Prolites, you'll notice that they've got this nice kind of smart swoop to them. That's great for aerodynamics, but it also serves a little bit of a purpose. It's a single piece of fiberglass from the back all the way to the front. Really eliminates any worries for having leaks happen on the top with any seams or seals. This particular unit does have an auxiliary shower on the outside, but the Evasion floor plan does have a full washroom on the inside as well. This is a look from this side here. You have 4 manual stabilizers around the whole unit, as well as a manual tongue jack. We'll step on inside here, but I will note that we have a nice hard shell awning on the exterior there as well. Alright, stepping onto the inside here, as I said, this is a very popular floor plan for lots of reasons. First of all, I'll say if you're just a couple, it's fantastic because you've got a nice dinette here where you can sit, have all of your meals, play games out. If it's raining, you can be inside, but you also have this area at the back that converts to a bed. So if you are a couple and you don't feel like setting up and taking down a bed every single day, this couch area, this little lounge, can pull out fully. Those cushions are going to drop down. You're going to have a full bed back here where you can leave that set up 24/7. It's very convenient if you're just a couple because you're not setting up and taking down this dinette. Every time you want a quick nap, you can leave a kitchen dinette fully set up and have a bed in the rear. The Evasion, as I mentioned before, has lots of great storage options, but they are crafty storage options because you've got options obviously to store things back here. If you're just a couple, or even if you do have kids along, you've got plenty of things to store up here, but this whole cabinet can easily drop down, fold down. You've got a bunk style bed up here for some children. So you can actually fit up to 5 people in this small lightweight trailer. That's going to drop down. This can convert to bed, and that dinette converts to bed for a full 5-person setup. Now these trailers are designed to be super lightweight, so even at 5 people with a full kitchen and washroom, you're looking at 1,935 pounds dry weight. As I mentioned, they did fit a washroom in this unit as well, so we'll open this up here. And with these new 2025s, you will notice that these have been switched. Used to be a kind of waterproof wallpaper before. It is now a full fiberglass insert, which is fantastic. In this washroom, you are going to have a shower and a toilet that is set up to plumbing as well. Sometimes in these lightweight Prolites, you get cassette style toilets. This one is hooked up to full plumbing for the trailer. With this being the E-Evasion, you've got lots of electricity here on the inside powered by solar. So you've got a nice 12-volt air conditioning unit here. You also have options for cooking with a single element induction cooktop. So that's going to be powered by electricity as well, which is a fantastic option rather than using propane. And you also get this really nice fridge freezer combo that is full electric. You got lots of deep storage in the top, and you've got a nice pull-out drawer in the bottom. I will touch a little bit more on the storage. You've obviously got this nice microwave up here. This is just a traditional style microwave, but between the cooktop and microwave, you've got lots of cooking options. You've got storage up here. All the 2025s come as standard with metal latches, which don't break like older units. And you've got nice upgraded hinges there as well to support all these cabinets. You've got storage up above, and this particular floor plan, they do slide this extra cabinet in here as well. You've got this nice deep storage area. If you are a family of 5 or just a couple who doesn't want to have to set up and take down a bed every single day, these lightweight Canadian made Prolites are perfect for cars, vans, and SUVs. And there's lots of options to come check out. So if you want to see this trailer in person, come on down to Long Haul Trailers in Listowel.